Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, it's going to have its flaws, but overall, just walking around this car, it is really, really nice. Extreme Contact Sport 02's date code 2024. See a couple little scuffs and scratches on the wheel. Little kind of clear coat chipping away there. Overall though, looks really nice. Here on the paint, lots of depth to the paint, really pretty. Couple rock impacts, a few small chips. You're gonna have little swirls from just everyday washing, but it's very minimal. Little chip there. Looks good. Get up close, you're gonna see a couple little flaws here and there. I don't see any dents or gashes or anything like that though. And if you get close here, you're going to see these little dimples in the paint. A couple other small dimples. But that top looks good. That looks nice. From what I can see, that lower rocker looks good. Now that is chewed up a little bit over the years with the rock impacts. Yeah, that piece kind of flopping off there. If you get up close here, you're going to see a few little rock impacts. It's very minimal though. I mean, look at the depth in that paint, absolutely gorgeous. I do see some gashes right there. The rest of that looks good. Here on the wheel, a couple small chips. A little bit of wear. Here from a couple feet back though, it looks really good. Now on that caliper, you can see there, clear coat's chipping away. Looking on the underside, looks good. So far, she's looking really nice. Here on the headlights, they're very clear. Typical rock impacts, but overall that lens looks really, really good. You're gonna see the front end kind of pepper with little impacts. If you get super close, you can see that. A couple larger chips. A couple small chips up there. For the most part though, looks good. Got some chips here. Typical flaws with the age. Of course, let's get down low. The lower side's looking good. A little bit of rash. Still pretty minimal. Of course, when you're walking around the car, just from here, foot off the ground, you won't see any of that. A couple chips. That light looks good. Fender's in great condition. Typical flaws on the wheel. And then with that caliper, same thing. Clear coat's kind of chipping away. What I can see looks good. Doors clean, typical little rock impacts on that side mirror. Looks good. One chip there. Got some chips here. Got one there. Quarter panel looks good. A few light scuffs here and there. Date code on that tire, 2025. That lens looks really nice. Upper section looks good. That lens is clean. Just kind of walking around that back bumper. Got the Soul exhaust. Backside's really, really nice. Beautiful car. All right, looking at the interior, this thing is really, really nice. Upper section looks good. Those buttons are nice and clean. Very light markings here. Handle, a couple tiny little chips there. A few light markings. That works. Lower section looks nice. At that trim, light little markings here and there. Looking at that bolster, typical wrinkles, but the leather is very soft. Really nice. A couple light markings here. That looks good. Upper section's clean. Light little scuff there. Here on the steering wheel, nice and smooth. I don't feel any like chips or gashes in it. Looks good. That's clean. 31,000 miles. That's crazy. All that trim is good. That's clean. Buttons are awesome. Really nice. Little scuff there. Little one on the e-brake handle. You can see some on the side of the seat there. This material is just really prone to little scratches. Other than that though, this side looks good. Here on this panel, a couple light scuffs here. Looks good. Works perfect. A few small scuffs there. That carpet's in great condition. This leather insert looks good. All of that is really clean. I mean, that is a beautiful panel. That trim looks really nice. Minor little scuffs. Typical wrinkles on that bolster. Leather is super, super soft. You got the little wrinkles in there. That bolster looks good. A few small markings. Once again, the seat, very soft. Leather is really nice. Upper section looks good. Typical little scuffs on that. Lower side, a few light markings. Just trying to scan through that dash, look up close at all the details. Nothing standing out to me as far as flaws go. Now if we look at that bar, you can see some wear on it. Got the glass insert, top, looks good. This side's really, really nice. All right, got your Lexan glass here. Looks good. Looks like we got some touch-up paint, owner's manual, sole sticker. All the goodies in here. That looks nice. All those stickers are in amazing condition. The jams look good. Struts work perfect. I mean, that's really, really nice back here. Looks gorgeous in here. Very nice. Plastics are in great condition. And it smells really good in here as well.